Welcome to the Concept Solutions CSTube video training course, How to Enter Training Records. This course will show you how to enter your new training records into CSI. The intended audience is all Concept Solutions employees and subcontractors who undergo training and have access to CSI. This class is intended for those who have a valid CSI account. After taking this course, you will be able to understand basic navigation and use of the Training tab in your CSI profile, know how to add new training records into CSI, and know how to mark training as completed. During this course, we will log into CSI, access the Training tab in CSI, review the steps required to enter a classroom training course into CSI, show how to mark a training course as completed, and review the steps required to enter a self-study training course. The Concept Solutions Intranet, commonly referred to as CSI, is an everyday tool for you, and it is important that you are comfortable using all of its features. The first thing you must do is to log in to the application. Once you've logged in, access your CSI profile by clicking on the My Profile button in the horizontal toolbar on the top right. The Personnel Profile page is now displayed. Along the top of the page is a horizontal row of tabs. Select the Training tab. This is the page you will use to enter new training and view any training you have previously entered. To enter a new classroom training, click the Add Training to My List button beneath the upcoming pending training grid. In the training pop-up window, Training Name text field, begin to type the name of the training course. This name must match a training course already entered into the CSI training inventory. As you type, a drop-down list is displayed with choices matching what you've typed. When you see your training course displayed in the drop-down menu, click on it to auto-populate it into the training name text field, then click Save. If your classroom training is not displayed in the drop-down list, check to ensure you have entered the exact training name provided when you took the training. If you have entered the correct name and it is not displayed in the list, you must contact either your project training coordinator or the director of HR and request that the training be added. Once you have entered training, it appears in the upcoming pending training grid on the training screen. To indicate that you have completed the training, in the Edit column, click the green check mark. In the training pop-up window, enter the completed date by either typing the date in the completed date text field or clicking on the calendar icon and selecting the completion date on the calendar. Select the I certify that I have completed this training checkbox. If applicable, attach a certificate of completion or other document as appropriate. Then click Save. Some training courses are not completed by the entire team and may be classified as self-study. Sometimes you will not see your self-study course listed as an option in the training pop-up window. If you do not see your training course listed, first, ask your project manager or training coordinator if this training should be added to the CSI training module. If the project manager or training coordinator approves the training entry, then complete the following steps to enter the training into the training module. To enter a self-study training course, click the Add Training to My List button beneath the upcoming pending training grid. When the Add Training pop-up window appears, click on Can't Find Training. This brings up the Training Editor screen. On the Training Editor screen, in the Training Name text field, enter the name of your training course. In the Training Degree Date text field, you can either enter the date in the text field or click on the calendar icon to select the date of training completion from the calendar. If desired, Select your project and task order from the corresponding drop-down menus. If the training was provided by CS, select the Internal Training radio button. If it was provided by an external entity, then select the External Training radio button. Leave the instructor field blank, then click Save. In this course, you have learned how to access the Training tab, how to enter classroom training, how to mark training as completed, and how to enter self-study training. Thank you for attending the How to Enter Training Records video on CSTube. Please contact the Director of HR with any questions. We look forward to having you on another CSTube video training. Please provide feedback by taking the anonymous course evaluation survey in the link below.